Hey everyone, I'm Jesse from WildTop. Let's talk about conditioning a canvas. Canvas being a natural material, it's important to condition it and take care of it. You can actually get a lot longer life out of the product by going through a conditioning process. In this case, you only need to use water. In fact, you can increase the waterproofness of the canvas, you can make it look better and keep it looking good over time, and certainly improve the fitment as well by going through a few simple steps. Unlike other soft toppers out there, you don't need to buy any special products, no lubricants, and no weird tapes. With a wild top, all you need to do is wet it. Let me show you how it's done. Thoroughly wet the entire canvas with a garden hose. Do this for both the inside and outside of the wild top. Then allow the cap to fully dry, preferably out in the sun. Now repeat this process 2 to 3 times to help the fabric settle after transport and packaging. By doing this, you're allowing the fibers to expand and contract naturally, as canvas is a natural and organic material. This ensures your wild top achieves its best possible waterproof performance. Additionally, the wetting process is essential to allow the stitching to swell, filling any tiny gaps left by the sewing needle during manufacturing. This ensures the best seal and improved water resistance over time, so make sure to get into all those nooks and crannies with the hose. By following these simple steps, you'll keep your wild top in tip-top condition, ensuring it lasts for years to come, while also maintaining its aesthetic appeal and, most importantly, its waterproof resistance. And once you get out there and go wild, aka get messy, for some important tips on how to clean your wild top canvas, please watch our videos on cleaning in the link in the description. If you have enjoyed this video, smack that like button. And if you want to keep up to date with our videos, make sure to subscribe by clicking the bell notification button below. Thanks for watching and enjoy your adventure.